Buying Bitcoin is now easier than ever, but doing so safely is where many beginners often stumble. In this full walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin step by step, avoid common mistakes, and protect your investment from day one. Before you buy anything, you need a secure and reputable platform, which is why choosing a trusted exchange is your crucial first step. Look for regulation and licensing in your region, strong security features like two-factor authentication, and cold storage for user funds. Also, transparent fees, a clean track record, and a clear interface with good customer support are essential for beginners. Choosing a trusted exchange significantly reduces the risk of losing your money to scams, fake apps, or unregulated platforms. Once your account is created and verified, it's time to deposit funds safely. Safe deposit methods include bank transfers, debit cards, and mobile payment options like Apple Pay or Google Pay, depending on your region. Always avoid random third-party payment processors and double-check the platform URL before entering any card details. Enable two-factor authentication before depositing anything, as one wrong click can expose your financial information. Now you're ready to buy Bitcoin, and understanding the two main order types is key. A market order buys instantly at the current price, while a limit order lets you choose the price you want. For beginners, a market order is perfectly fine, especially if you're buying for the long term rather than minute-to-minute trading. The process involves selecting Bitcoin, entering the amount, reviewing fees, and confirming your purchase. Always double-check the amount before you hit buy to avoid any mistakes. Moving your Bitcoin to a secure wallet is the most important step that many beginners unfortunately skip. When your Bitcoin stays on an exchange, you don't fully control it, leaving it vulnerable if the exchange gets hacked or shuts down. Non-custodial wallets, such as mobile, hardware, or desktop wallets, give you full control. Remember the key idea: not your keys, not your crypto. To transfer, copy your wallet address, withdraw from the exchange, confirm the Bitcoin network, and wait for confirmations. This process is normal, and Bitcoin transactions typically take a few minutes to confirm. Your recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet, and protecting it is paramount. Write it down on paper, store it offline, and never screenshot it or save it in email or cloud storage. Crucially, never share your recovery phrase with anyone. If someone gets your recovery phrase, they can instantly take all your Bitcoin, with no undo button or support team to help. Consider safe storage ideas like a fireproof envelope, a safe box, or even two separate secure locations. Building safe habits is just as important as the initial purchase for long-term protection. Always keep your apps updated, use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication everywhere. Avoid clicking random crypto links, steer clear of too good to be true offers, and never send Bitcoin to strangers or giveaways. Most losses in crypto don't come from price drops. They come from preventable mistakes. Buying Bitcoin is simple, but keeping it safe is the real skill you've begun to master today. You've learned how to choose a secure exchange, buy Bitcoin step by step, move it to a safe wallet, and protect your recovery phrase. You also now know how to avoid common beginner mistakes, setting you up for a safer journey in the world of cryptocurrency. If this guide helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what crypto topic you'd like to see next.